How to cancel one-click pay on Temu. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can cancel one-click pay on Temu. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the official Temu website. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into your Temu account. You won't be able to manage your payment settings unless you're signed in. Once you're logged in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and hover over your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on the Your Profile option to access your account settings. After that, you'll see a number of options related to your account. Look for and click on the Payment Methods section. This will open up a new window where all your saved cards and payment preferences are listed. If you previously added a credit or debit card to your Temu account, the one-click pay feature may have been enabled automatically. Here, you'll see a toggle or an option to cancel or disable one-click pay. Simply switch it off or click the appropriate remove or cancel button. Once you do this, the one-click pay feature will be disabled and you'll no longer be charged automatically through a saved payment method. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.